Pryd oeddwn ni'n 16, roedd y gleision wedi dropio fi o'r carfan development oherwydd dwi'n rhy fach. Roedd rhaid I fi edrych am opportunities eraill. Y breuddwyd mawr yw I chwarae yn yr NFL. Wythnos yma ni'n chwarae Central Missouri.
There's a lot of things that we don't know about them.
Gall hyn bod yn dechreuad I fy tymor mwyaf llwyddiannus.
He's able to kick right-footed the same distance as he can left.
It's something special that could push him to the next level.
It's hard, but I don't think that means that you just sit there and say, well, that's just out of reach. If you love it, why not try it?
Dwi'n credu bod yn posib.
If you don't try, then you'll never know.
Let's play football in St. Joe. Snap. It's down, it's blocked! Touchdown, Missouri Western State!
They're doing a documentary on Evan back in Wales. Like it's gonna be on like some Netflix, like Wales Netflix deal.
Go Dog!